when I start educating myself about Africa, I start looking into, His Majesty, and I was like, when I start looking to Rastafari, I start seeing so many things that I've never been taught. I've never even seen them in my life, and it just started opening my eyes. I start seeing King of Kings, Lord of Lords, and I'm like, wow. I start seeing so many things, just so many things that's of me,
Yes.
And it's just so when I started educating myself, that took me to a different level, because when I as I said, when I used to go to school, you've been taught certain things, but when you start teaching yourself, it's a difference. It's totally different. They bring you up on a different level, a higher level, and I think that's one of the things that